Grammar is great with Teacher Gun. Connectors of contrast. However, but, nevertheless, despite, though, although, yet, instead. In contrast, even so, even though, in spite of, unlike, in contrast to, conversely, nonetheless. By contrast, alternatively, because of, unlike, on the other hand, notwithstanding, apart from, whereas. Examples: but, Ron is a poor man, but he often donates to the orphanage. However, it is raining heavily, however the football team continues playing in the field. Although John missed the bus, he managed to arrive in time for the tuition. Despite his leg injury, Ramlee played in the tennis tournament last month. Whereas, he's quite short, whereas his sister is tall. Even though I cycle to school daily, I don't feel very fit. It's exercise time. Fill in the blanks with a suitable contrast connector. Whereas, but, although, however, despite, on the other hand, in spite of. Number 1. Pam was warned of the risk. She decided to travel alone to South America. 2. Siti did not get a promotion, her qualifications and hard work. Number 3. Zambia is a landlocked country. Kenya has a coastline. Number 4. On the one hand, you could rent a flat instead of buying one. You are always at the mercy of landlords. Number 5. The Lima restaurant has a good reputation. That one does not. 6. The city has a 50 km/h limit. People are often caught speeding. 7. I'm sorry, you won't be forgiven. Your apology. 8. We couldn't find a house to buy in that area. We looked at quite a few. 9. The singer always looks so lonely and sad. His popularity. 10. Adam is quiet and shy. His sister Alice is lively and talkative. The answers are number 1, although, number 2, despite or in spite of, number 3, whereas, number 4, on the other hand, number 5, whereas, number 6, however, number 7, despite, in spite of, number 8, although, number 9, despite or in spite of, and number 10, whereas. Thank you. Do subscribe to my channel, Educator OmniTube.